Bonjour à tous, bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy, comment allez-vous? Moi, j'ai ma grande tasse de café et je suis prête pour la lecture. Mais comment ça se passe pour vos élections? Vous avez des élections le 5 novembre et nous sommes le 28 octobre, donc bientôt, vous aurez un nouveau gouvernement. J'espère que les meilleurs gagneront. Mais nous allons lire Tintin. We're going to continue the reading of Tintin, and which is, of course, le Lotus Bleu, the Blue Lotus. And do you remember that Tintin, he was discovered, he was spying on the scoundrels, and he was discovered. So now he tries to flee, and he says, si je pouvais atteindre l'auto, if I could reach the car. But you see, he's tripping over, falling with his head against a tree. 1,000,000 de samouraïs. Tintin. Well, 1,000 billion of samurai. Tintin. Well, he's very surprised to see Tintin there. Ministère de la Guerre, Tokyo. Ministry of War, Tokyo. Stop. Bandits chinois ont fait sauter voie de chemin de fer. So bandits or Chinese scoundrels or criminals have, and then we have the verb faire sauter, which is to blow up. They blew up the rail track. Chemin de fer is like the iron road, and la voie, it's the track, so the railway track. Yes, because remember what they did? Well, that was what Tintin was spying on. They blew up the railroad. Shanghai, Nanking, stop. So it's the railroad Shanghai to Nanking, stop. Dégâts matériels peu importants, stop. So material damages are very little of very little importance. So they're not very bad. Stop. Bon, nous allons leur en donner de l'importance. Well, we are going to give to them, which is leur, a bit of importance. So he's going to exaggerate a little bit the blowing up of the railway. Allô, ici Radio Tokyo. Hello, here is Radio Tokyo. L'audace des bandits chinois ne connaît plus de bornes. So the audacity of the Chinese criminals doesn't know any limits anymore. The not anymore is ne plus, right? Nous apprenons à l'instant qu'un attentat vient d'être commis par eux sur la ligne de chemin de fer. So we learn, nous apprenons, we learn at the moment that a attack vient de, well, we have again this construction vient de, which, well, we translate by has just been committed by them on the railway line. The railway line from, donc, de Shanghai à Nanking. So from Shanghai to Nanking. Après avoir fait sauter la voie, les pillards, so after having, and faire sauter was to blow up, so after having blown up the track, les pillards et les pillards, well, it's the plunderers or the thieves, ont arrêté le train et attaqué les voyageurs. They have stopped the train and attacked the, well, voyageurs, the travelers or the passengers. You know, the people are hearing that are really scared. Dont un grand nombre a été tué en essayant de se défendre. Of which a great number has been killed when trying to defend themselves. Il y a 12 sujets japonais parmi les victimes. There are 12 subjects or 12 people, Japanese people, amongst the victims. Leur coup fait, les bandits, au nombre d'une centaine, se sont enfuis avec leur butin. So their blow done, well, I think in English you would rather say when the attack was done, the bandits, the scoundrels, the criminals, by a number of more or less 100, se sont enfuis. They fled with their loot. So butin is the loot. Les dernières nouvelles de Tokyo. The latest news of Tokyo. Édition spéciale, special edition. Les bandits chinois attaquent un train de voyageurs. The Chinese criminals attack a traveler's or a passenger train. Les dernières nouvelles, the latest news. You see, it's all over the newspapers, but, well, it has been exaggerated, of course. Et le Japon doit se souvenir qu'il est le gardien de l'ordre et de la civilisation en Extrême-Orient. And Japan must remember that it is the guardian of order and of civilization in the Extreme Orient. Gloire à nos héroïques soldats qui vont partir là-bas défendre cette noble cause. Glory to our heroic soldiers who are going to leave over there to defend this noble cause. And you see here, soldiers are leaving. It's the Japanese flag. The boats are leaving. You see the planes there. Trains are leaving with tanks on it. And there they all are to repair the railway. Et une fois de plus, le Japon a rempli sa mission de gardien de l'ordre et de la civilisation en Extrême-Orient. And one time again, once more, Japan has accomplished its mission of guardian of the order and of the civilization in Extreme Orient. Si nous avons dû, à notre grand regret, envoyer des troupes en Chine, c'est pour défendre la Chine elle-même. If we have had to, that's the verb devoir, dû, it's the verb devoir. If we have had to our biggest regret, send troops to China, it is to defend China itself. Hé, je vous avais prévenu. Well, I warned you. It's the verb prévenir, to warn. I warned you. Il fait malsain en Chine pour les petits curieux de votre espèce. So, it is unhealthy in China for little curious guys of your species. You see Tintin there has been taken away by car. And here we are on page 23. Just a little sip of coffee. Sorry, but it's still early morning. Tintin devrait être rentré depuis longtemps. Tintin should have been home, rentré comme home, since a long time. Où pourrait-il bien être? Where could he well be? Mon chauffeur va vous reconduire à Shanghai. My chauffeur will drive you back to Shanghai. Moi, j'ai encore un petit compte à régler avec ce jeune indiscret. Well, me, I have still, well, we could say a small account to settle, but I would rather say, well, something to settle with this young indiscret, indiscreet guy or nosy guy, indiscreet, nosy guy. Ils m'ont emmené ici et m'ont enfermé dans cette pièce. They have brought me here and have locked me in this room. Que vont-ils faire de moi? What are they going to do with me? He's coming, whistling. Excusez-moi, cher monsieur Tintin, mais je n'ai pas pu m'occuper de vous plus tôt. Et, well, would you excuse me, dear Mr. Tintin, but I have not pu, pu comes from the verb pouvoir, I've not been able to, and then we have m'occuper de. S'occuper de means to take care of you, plutôt earlier. And que comptez-vous faire de moi? What are you counting on doing with me? Voilà ce que je voudrais savoir. That is what I would like to know. Ce qu'il me plaira de faire, cher ami. What will please me to do with you, dear friend? Vous êtes ici chez moi dans la banlieue de Shanghai. You are here with me at my place in the suburbs of Shanghai. Personne ne vous a vu entrer. Nobody has seen you enter. Personne ne vous verrait jamais sortir. Nobody would ever see you sortir, get out. Si tel était mon plaisir, if such was my good pleasure, vous êtes donc à ma merci et je puis vous faire disparaître. So you are to my mercy and I can make you disappear. Mais, tout bien réfléchi, je ne veux pas votre mort. But everything well thought through, réfléchi means to think through, I don't want your death. Non, et j'ai décidé au contraire de vous rendre la liberté. No, and I have decided, on the contrary, to give you back your liberty, your freedom. Vous permettez? Je suis à vous dans un instant. Would you excuse me? I am all yours in a moment. Je vous en prie, faites. Yes, oh, please, I pray you do, please do. Tintin, he looks happy because he thinks he's going to be free again, but... Eh bien, j'avoue que je ne m'attendais pas à cela. Well, I admit that I did not expect that. And what is the verb to expect? It's s'attendre à. So if you have just attendre means to wait, but s'attendre à is to expect. I didn't expect that. Connaissez-vous ceci, mon cher ami? Do you know this, my dear friend? Oh, le poison qui rend fou. The poison that makes you crazy, makes you mad. Une toute petite piqûre et je vous rends la liberté. A very small injection and I give you back your freedom, your liberty. Rassurez-vous. Voyons. Be reassured. Let's see. J'ai dit une toute petite piqûre. I said a very small injection. Vous ne serez donc pas fou furieux. So you will not be. Serait is the future of to be, the verb être. So you will not be. Fou furieux means like a raving lunatic. You will not be completely crazy. Et voilà, vous voyez, cela n'a pas été long. There it is, and you see that has not been very long. Fou, je vais devenir fou. Crazy, I'm going to become crazy. Going to go crazy. Et Chang And Chang, pas encore rentré lui non plus. He has not come back, him neither. Pas encore, vénérable. Not yet, your honor. So they're really worried about Tintin. And of course, Milou is also very worried. Tant pis, never mind. Il faut absolument que je retrouve Tintin. It's absolutely necessary that I find back Tintin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Violette, Violette. Ah, there is Tintin. Oh my God, totally crazy. Et maintenant, mon cher ami, je vous mets à la porte. And now, my dear friend, well, je vous mets à la porte. It really says I put you at the door, but it really means I'm kicking you out. Putting you at the door means kicking you out. Kodak. Now he's he's like a chicken. Cut. Tintin est content. Tintin is happy. Adieu et bon voyage. Goodbye and have a nice trip. Ole, ole, tra-la-la-la-la, that's Tintin. And then here, Milou, he's trying to find him. You see Milou still in the city, searching for his little master. And here the bad guy laughing. Milou still searching for Tintin. Toujours pas rentré. Still not back. Tintin! He's seeing Tintin. Whoa, whoa! Oh, he's so happy. Tarata-boum, taratata, boum, boum, boum. Mais il est ivre, ma parole. But he is drunk, my word. Attention, voilà l'avion qui arrive. Watch out, there is the plane who is coming. Ou bien il est fou. Or he is crazy. Tralalalaouti, zim boum, tralalaouti. Et ce brave Milou qui croyait que j'avais perdu la raison. And this brave old Milou who believed that I had perdu la raison, lost reason. Well, I think in English we'd rather say that I had lost my mind. Haha, so Tintin was faking. Comment se fait-il d'ailleurs que je ne sois pas fou réellement? How come, by the way, that I'm not, je ne sois pas, that I am not really crazy? Il m'a pourtant bel et bien piqué. He has, and bel et bien, is well and truly injected. Piqué is really like to sting, but well, injected. So Tintin, he wonders, how come I'm not crazy? They injected the poison. 1000 milliards de samouraïs, ce n'est pas du Rajaija que je lui ai injecté. 1000 billions of samurai. This is not the poison Rajaija that I have injected to him. Chang, que vous aviez chargé de... Ah non, I'm sorry. Chang, que vous aviez chargé de surveiller la maison de Mitsuhirato, vient de rentrer, vénérable. So Chang, whom you have charged with surveiller, doing the surveillance of the house of Mitsuhirato, vient de, remember, it means has just, rentré, has just come home, your honor. Qu'il vienne tout de suite. Let him come immediately. And so this is Chang coming. J'étais caché dans l'autre pièce. I was hidden in the other room. J'ai remplacé le Rajaija par de l'eau. I replaced the poison Rajaija by water. Et le véritable poison, je vous l'ai rapporté. And the real poison, I have brought back to you. Je me suis également occupé de son poignard et de son pistolet. And we have again the verb s'occuper de, to take care of. So I also equally took care of his dagger, poignard, and his pistol. Je le retrouverai. I will find him back. Il ne peut pas être loin. He cannot be far away. Le voilà. There he is. And you know, there he's going to attack Tintin with his dagger and his pistol. He's shooting, but click, click doesn't work. Tintin is just walking on. J'aurais pourtant juré que mon Browning était chargé. Anyhow, I would have sworn that my Browning was loaded. Heureusement, il me reste le poignard. Luckily, I still have left my dagger. So you see there, he's going to attack Tintin. Malédiction, cette lame est en fer blanc. Malediction, this blade is in, well, fer blanc. I think you would say tin plate. It's made out of tin plate. And, you know, tin plate is really, it's a very malleable metal. Et ça, c'est aussi du fer blanc, sans doute. And that, it is also tin plate, without any doubt. Whoops, Tintin gets really aggressive. 1 heure plus tard, 1 hour later. Commandant, je suis sujet japonais. Commander, I am a Japanese person. J'ai failli être assassiné par un jeune Européen, un espion au service des Chinois. I've almost been assassinated by a young European, a spy of the Chinese services. Il se nomme Tintin. He is named Tintin. And Tintin, he's just drinking a cup of tea, like I'm drinking my cup of coffee. Et maintenant, il s'agit de retourner chez Monsieur Wang. And now it's all about returning, going back to Mr. Wang. But what does he see? Oh my God, you see? They put a prize on his head, 5,000 yen, if you find back Tintin. Il n'y a plus 1 minute à perdre si je veux quitter la ville. There is not 1 minute to lose if I want to quit or to leave the city. Because everybody's trying to find him. See what a nice big picture this is, but well, I didn't scan it very well. But you see, they're closing down the city. And Tintin will probably not be able to leave because there's the military checking on everybody. Trop tard, too late. Les Japonais surveillent les portes. The Japanese are guarding or doing surveillance on the doors to the city. Je ne pourrai plus passer. I will not be able anymore to pass. Comment vais-je sortir de la ville? How will I get out of the city? Somebody noticed him, questioning. Tu es celui dont la tête est mise à prix par les Japonais. You are the one of which the head, well, it's hard to translate, but the head on which the Japanese put a price. So you are the wanted guy. So what will happen after that? We don't know. There's always a lot of adventures with Tintin, but we will know next week. And I hope you guys will be there to be reading with me, because I must say, I really enjoy it. I enjoy reading with you every Tuesday morning, I'm sorry. So I really, really hope you will be there with me next week. Have a nice Tuesday. Bye.